I want more. It's so good.
Well, okay, Junji. Yesterday, Junji said he wanted more chocolate. Well, he's in for a treat because we're at the CHOCXO factory in Irvine, California. Here we have 4 chocolates. We have a vanilla chai, and we have a creme brulee. We have a cinnamon bun, and this is a whiskey.
Creme brulee. Creme brulee. Creme brulee. Creme brulee. Yeah.
You can't eat it till you pronounce it.
Really? Oh. Okay, you do it. I saw
Creme
that.
brulee.
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee. Huh? No?
No, forget it.
No, I mean creme brulee, right?
Brulee.
Creme brulee, right? No? Creme brulee.
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee. 맛있지? 아, 엄마, 난. You have a chocolate too.
I grew up in South Central Pennsylvania, not too far from the Hershey's chocolate factory. And I remembered going there when I was a child and thinking that I was in heaven. And I did, until they turned it into a theme park and it lost its charm. Well, today I visited the CHOCXO factory and I found that charm again.
Now we celebrate, completion of the chocolate. Now we made our own chocolate. Cheers. Kanpai.
Kanpai. Ganbatta ne?
chocolate factory, you know, when it's come to the chocolate factory, you know the guy with cherry, the Oompa Loompa. I'm looking forward to see Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompa, Oompa Loompa, Oompa Loompa.
Oompa Loompa, Oompa Loompa, Oompa Loompa, Loompa-dee-day. The end.
I'd like to have a nice creme brulee. Is that right? Yeah, this is chocolate factory, and then I wonder I can meet a Oompa Loompa, Oompa Loompa, Oompa Loompa. Yeah, your mouth has, you know, a lot of chocolate. Chocolate's around.
Fun to get rid of.
Mine is clean, right? I'm not mess up my face, right? You see the chocolate? Oh, really? Oh, shock.